Prakhar and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today our topic is Python loops. So Python basically has two primitive loop commands. Those are while loops and for loops. Okay. So while loop. With the while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as a condition is true. Okay. So let's take for example. We have to print I as long as I is less than 6. So here what we can give I equal to 1, then while I is less than 6, then print I. Okay, print I, then I plus equal to 1. Then if we run this, we'll give as y1 2 3 4 5. Means it will print till 1 2 3 4, means it will print till the value is less than 6. Okay, so while loop requires relevant variables to be ready. In this example, we need to define an indexing variable I, which we are set to 1. Okay, so we can also print here any string like coding technical, coding technical. Okay, and it will print the coding technical 5 times. Okay, so let's try some another example. We want to print like the value coding technical and with the integer. So I equal to 5 1 I have given, then while I is less than 6, then print coding technical comma the value of I. Okay, so if you give this, then it will print coding technical 1, coding technical 2, coding technical 3 till coding technical 5. Okay, so like this we can do in while loop. Okay, let's move towards the for loop. So in a for loop, what we can do in for loop, it is used to print the values one by one. Okay, so how it is used to print the values one by one? Let's take for example as s equal to something, and you print for I in s, then you print I. Okay, a for loop is used for basically iterating over a sequence. Okay, that is either a list, a tuple, a dictionary, a set, or a string. This looks less like the for keyword in other programming languages and what's more like an iterator method as found in other object-oriented programming language. Okay. So what does that mean? With the help of for loop, we can execute a set of statements once for each item in a list, tuple, set, or etc. Means it is used to print the values one by one. So in simple language, it is used to print the values as one by one. Like let's take for example like fruits equal to apple, fruits equal to apple, and then orange. Okay, apple and orange will given. Okay, then for ads in fruits means for ads inputs we are writing means we're copying the contents of fruits variable inside ads. Means ads is pointing to initially ads is pointing to zeroth position, zeroth index value. So fruits contains apple and orange, so ads is pointing to for ads in fruits. Let's say first we'll complete this like print ads. Okay, means here I'm pointing the values of fruits to ads. means as will first print the first value of fruits, means here is referring to the fruits variable, means as is pointing to the value in fruits. So print as means it will first print apple and then orange. Okay, then let's see, run p, it will give us apple and orange, means as is pointing to the fruits variable, and as is means we are putting the value of fruits variable inside the ads one by one. Okay, and we printed this. Okay, means the for loop doesn't require any indexing variable to set beforehand, like while loop. And like let's say loop through the letters in the word. You want to loop through the letters in the word. Let's say for x in banana, or x in orange. Okay, then if you are print x here, run this, it will print orange. Okay, so like this it will print. So what ads is doing, ads is uh, like initially in the, let's take the fruits example. Initially ads was pointing means as was pointing to the fruits fruits variable values, means as will hold the fruits variable value in it, and it will print. Then as will hold the second value of fruits variable in it, and it will print. Okay, like this it will. Okay, so hey, this is for loop, and here we have one more this 5 for loops and 5 while loops is completed. Now let's move towards the this break statements and continuous statements in the next video.